All right, guys. My people, we don't come again. This one now, waiting still concern very dark man. Remember, I said today now the very D-Day where the biggest protest won't happen. All the updates, by God's grace, we will carry all of them come give una for this platform. But meanwhile, all the update that happened from last night to this morning, now I say make una watch so. And I want to give thanks to all Nigerians that have responded, that have reacted, that have put their voices together to allow this to happen. I'm proud to be a Nigerian. Let's continue, my people. Let's watch this together quickly.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights.
At the mention of his name, oppressors catches cold. National treasure, final hope of the oppressed. Nightmare to injustice, brave and confident. Sound his name, very dark man. We are men fear to stand. He stands firm without shaking, one man combatant. What many men fear to say, as long as it liberates the innocent and the oppressed. He says it very loud without shivering. Very dark man. Resilient and extremely brilliant. Super brave and confident. Only one Radel Presido. Black man with a golden heart. Alpha philanthropist, rugged and not begin. Tested and trusted, agility 100. Your service to humanity can never be overlooked. Voice of the voiceless. Your legacy will forever stand tall and firm like an ancient Iroko tree. In this time of trial and tribulations, may God give you divine clarity and energy to stand strong and solid. For always standing for the truth, may the Almighty shield you. From the trap of your enemies, may He deliver you. For justice and equity, we stand. Against corruption and oppression, we stand. With VDM, we stand gallant. Solidarity till thy kingdom come. Justice for VDM. Justice for all.
VDM lokacin da aka yi ruwan ambaliya a Borno State ya zo ya bada gudunmawarsa sosai, ya zo har fadar Shehu Oborno. VDM ya taimaki talakawa. VDM ya gina bohol, ya gina asibiti, ya gina makarantu, ya taimaki talakawa da yawa da ba su da aiki, da ba su da abincin da za su ci, talakawa da yawa da ba su da muhalli. VDM dan gwagwarmaya ne wadda a tarihin Najeriya a yanzu ba a taba samu ko kuma ba a taba yi dan gwagwarmaya da ya kai VDM wato Black Very Dark Man ba. VDM ya fi sanatoci da 'yan majalisu gabaki ɗaya da suke Najeriya amfani ni a wajena. Dalili ko shine BDM lokacin da aka kama yara a lokacin da suka yi zanga-zanga a Kano yana ɗaya daga cikin ko kuma an ce yana ɗaya daga cikin babban mutum da ya bada gudunmawa. To ta yaya mu 'yan arewa ba za mu fita mu support na shi ba. Ni a matsayina dan gwagwarmaya activist, dan gwagwarmaya na arewa, gaskiya da ina da banki da GT Bank to wallahi tabbas sai na yi blocking GT Bank, sai na cire dukkan kuɗi na. Yanzu wannan shawara ya rage wa 'yan arewa mu san me ya kamata mu yi.
Hey guys, what's good? I'm here to talk about VDM. If you don't like it, scroll. Thank you. Let's talk about how VDM was arrested a couple of days ago. I think it was on a Friday, I guess. I hear rumors. Like I go speak pidgin English. I go to mix up. VDM was arrested on his way out of a bank. I don't even think that was an arrest. To me, a kidnap be that, because then cover him face. And the last I checked, the least that I know, VDM is not a criminal. No be like say we hear say VDM thief money or something, right? It's okay to arrest VDM if VDM is wrong. I mean, serve him a warrant, invite him, you know.
Do it the proper way.
Do it the proper way. Now, VDM was arrested. I personally think EFCC doesn't owe us an explanation, owe the public an explanation. You know why? Because VDM doesn't owe a public office, or VDM is not a politician. But EFCC, what about his family members? His brother, his friends came to where you guys held VDM. They came there. Una no let them see VDM. Una no tell them why una arrest VDM. The regular The regular Nigeria, we are fond of keeping quiet. That's what we know how to do. You know why? Because we are cowards, including me. Right? We will never speak. I didn't used to like VDM. I did not used to like VDM. But guess what? I am a VDM fan because VDM is courageous. VDM is very brave. A lot of things where VDM they do, if you no sit well with me, if you no sit well with you. But at the end of the day, maybe everybody likes Jesus Christ as Christians.
True.
Right? I honestly think VDM is a necessity. With a country where we say, some time ago, I could remember when they told us that $40 million be miss, na snake swallow am. What happened? Nobody said anything. We all kept quiet. We all kept quiet. Me, you, every other person. In fact, when these posts were on blogs, what were we doing? We were laughing and catching crews. But they say VDM who would speak about these things confidently. But then you don't like him because he might have dragged your favorite celebrity. I had that sentiment too. There was someone that I liked that he was dragging. I didn't really like it. But at the end of the day, let's look at what VDM has done for the society. Same VDM guy is the guy who has recovered money for people. VDM has helped a lot of businesses. Me and you know say we come from a country where be say if person wey rich carry person wey dey poor go police station, the person wey dey poor fit no stand chance to win the case. But here is a VDM that has recovered several. VDM don't help a lot of people. I can attest. You wey no like him fit attest. Like I said, it's okay not to like him, but be reminded that this is VDM. Now VDM get this issue today, right? Tomorrow, if he be your brother, you can easily say, no, it can never be my brother. My brother does not do crime. My brother does not do anything. But the truth be say, I come from country where be say, innocent people, they sell. Innocent people don't die.
Fact.
Innocent people, they prison for waiting they no do.
Fact.
So if it be you tomorrow, and if it can't be you, you see the way we stand for VDM. One voice, right? If it be saying you, we go stand for. As a day like this, if it be me, we go enter trouble tomorrow. And I know, say, if we gather stand for VDM today, now so we fit gather, they stand for another person. You want to know the good things VDM has done? Aside recovering money and calling out politicians that me and you cannot call out because we are scared, VDM does that. Right? Now for on our front, where VDM gather some money, we see the, what's it called, the boreholes VDM use and build. We see a lot of things that the young man does. Like I said, it's okay not to like him, but you cannot deny the fact that he has done a lot of good. I didn't used to like VDM too, right? But I bring him down. I get to understand, say, this guy, they speak for us. VDM know they speak for Mbele now at the end of the day. Because how we will be influencers, they make money. We they make money when we advertise. We they make money from, you know how we they make our own money. But VDM doesn't advertise. So no be like saying I am Mbele we in the fight for. VDM they fight for us. At the end of the day, you go comment, insult me, curse me, but I am speaking the truth. My truth might not be your truth at the end of the day, Sha. So if you still go ahead, insult me. So if you get platform, post the guy. Ask questions to why he's being arrested. Like I said, if AFCC does not owe us explanation, they owe his family explanations. So if they don't explain, give him family go come explain to us, we value him. It could be you tomorrow. Say something. Get the way that they talking for Igbo. If you see something, say something. I have decided not to keep quiet, right? Because a lot of them don't even know. VDM my guy. You understand? I respect him. He respect me too. So I go make sure say I talk, right? Because I respect the guy and I respect what the guy they stand for. Not be everything they sit well with me, but I cannot I cannot deny the fact that he's doing an amazing job, right? Obviously, the politicians will not like him. Why should they like him? He's standing up for the truth. He's standing against them. They will not like him. They don't like us when we stand against them, right? VDM is standing for all of us. Please, I beg you guys in the name of God. I am not forcing you to use your platform. No, nobody forced me to use my platform. You know Nigerians and their stupid narrative. If you be say VDM, don't pay them. Okay, if you say so, you understand. But please, I beg you in the name of God, it could be your brother tomorrow. The politicians are using our head, guys. The politicians are using our head, right? They are using our head. That's exactly why every time, you know, when you don't reach election, now that time when you go come no say I be Yoruba, you be Igbo. Now that time you go no say I be Hausa, you be this. You understand? But when you go market, go buy something, nothing concern Yoruba and Hausa. When you go hospital, go buy something, nothing concern Yoruba and Igbo. But when you don't reach election, now that time then go begin to put all those things for our head. So let's come together and ask questions. If VDM deserves to be in that cell because he has committed a crime, we should know. And nobody is above the law, including VDM. Thank you guys. God bless you. I decided to speak. My chest don't be very heavy because I fear. You understand? If anything happened to that guy today, man, we lost a soldier. And it is not going to be easy to have another soldier. You know why? Because the rest persons will be scared. In a country where everybody they fear, there's a VDM. Thank you, guys.
Greetings. My name is Chief Odenbo. I told them to release Very Dark Man when there is time. They said no. Look at it. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Going straight there to close Chief Odenbo's account. Yes. I'm going there to close Chief Odenbo's account. I am Chief Odenbo. I don't threat. I take action. How could dare? I was going online. I saw what happened to Scales, this musician, what they did to his mother. Now, Very Dark Man. Even innocent motors, if they could do such a thing to innocent motors, who am I? Nobody is safe. No one is safe. No one is safe. They're going to learn in a hard way. I am Chief Odenbo. No one dares.
Good day, everyone. Concerning tomorrow's protest, but before I proceed, I want to quickly address this. I was going through my phone, through the post my brother made yesterday, because the reason he made that post is to let everyone know the situation I was facing yesterday. I almost lost my life. Now, and I pray, and bring me back like this. Understand? But I see a lot of people going out there putting a lot of comments. Now spoke, now this, now that, a lot of negative comments. My prayer for you is that you shouldn't experience what I experienced yesterday. You shouldn't, because only God know. Only God know. So, concerning the protest, tomorrow we are meeting at location flyover. All youth that want to participate and all raters in Port Harcourt that want to participate in this should meet at location flyover, the one that takes you to Ada George, that takes you to NT, that takes you to Rumukuta. Location flyover by 9 a.m. prompt. 9 a.m. prompt. 9 a.m. Please do not come with any harmful objects. Do not come with weapons. Please, it's a peaceful protest. Please, there will be security. So if you want to carry a weapon or anything, they will arrest you from there. Do not come with any harmful objects. And note, I have printed a lot of banners. So if you don't have banner, if you don't have any tag or write-up, just come that way. You'll be given a flyer or banner. You understand? Our voices must be heard. Our voices must be heard. Free VDM. The voice of the voiceless.
Location flyover. Location flyover Port Harcourt. Location flyover 9 a.m. in the morning. Our voices must be heard. You have no excuse. Remember, I'm not heard you, but I got no option. I need to speak out, not just for BDM, but for the youths out there, for the right of all youths.
Type of protest where will come and stay there for days, hours. This will give them time to plot and sending people to affect us. But we're not about that. We're using time as our advantage. You understand? Once we achieve, they've seen all of us. They know that yes,
coming back
agenda.
Tomorrow, yeah?
We are coming tomorrow and they are not knowing when we are coming. Yes. We are using our intelligence this time. We should not be stupid and act like we used to do. If not, we'll become victims. We are not trying to be victims. We are trying to play smart and avoid problems. The minute we are leaving GT Bank, that's when they started coming. They sent people to come. So we beat them to time. We are going to use that time as an advantage. Next time, we are going to make an announcement. Nobody's going to know when we are coming out. They'll be surprised or those people just come. 10 minutes and we are out. No.
We want to put our numbers in the group.
Yes. Anywhere. You guys are from where? See, I'm going to make a post today, right? I'm going to make a post. Please just stay tuned. I'll post and I'll talk about the group. Alright. We're moving back.
Because of this. We are still here.
But look at them now, look at them now. Look at the delegates here. Let's go. Where the problem of this country. Now then they go meet them.
VDM is not the problem. Yes.
Many people many things that our government cannot do.
Free VDM. EFCC, free VDM. VDM is not the problem.
All right. According to the book of Isaiah chapter 5, verse 20, woe unto them that call evil good and good evil, that put darkness for light and light for darkness, that put bitter for sweet and sweet for bitter. EFCC, time don't reach for now to go after the real Yahoo men for Nigeria. Time don't reach for now to enter forest to begin arrest all the terrorists where they disguise as Fulani herdsmen. When they kidnap our people, when they allow our men and women to go back to their farmland. The evil men will be they don't hijack the system. EFCC, go after them. Make una go after the kidnappers. When they stay for highway, they kidnap our young men and women. EFCC, DSS, make una go Benue State. Make una go Plateau State. Make una go Nasarawa. Make una go all the states when it be say all these terrorists where they make life miserable for all Nigerians. You guys should go after them. Channel this your energy to the real enemy of progress in Nigeria. EFCC and the Nigerian government, make una channel this energy. When until they go after young men, make una channel and enter forest to remove the terrorists where they disguise as Fulani herdsmen. We be say that they kidnap our people every day. So many community, our men and women don't come up from their community. Why? Because of strange attack. Our farmers not fit go farm again. Because of the activities of these terrorists disguising as Fulani herdsmen.
EFCC, channel your energy to these personalities. EFCC, DSS, go after the real Yahoo men in the corridor of power. So many of our politicians, when they put us for this problem, go after them. Past governors that have been indicted for stealing the state fund, allegedly. So many senators that are involved in collecting money that belongs to the people and use it for their own personal use. Allegedly, EFCC go after them. EFCC, what happened to so many governors when una be say una don't arrest allegedly, at the end of the day, una will release them, they go free. Where are the billions? Where are the cars? Una claim, say una they recover from the Yahoo boys. The real people committing financial crime in this country, Nigeria, are those in the corridor of power. Free VDM. VDM is not the problem of this country, Nigeria. VDM not be responsible for the high rate of insecurity for Nigeria. VDM not be responsible for the high rate of unemployment for Nigeria. And VDM is not a terrorist. I, Apostle Alfred, is not a terrorist. Kola Adopa is not a terrorist. Lovers of good governance, people when they speak out for the betterment of Nigeria, they are not terrorists. Therefore, EFCC, or whosoever, when you go adopt very dark man, make una release him. Very dark man don't do a lot of things we be say una the EFCC not fit do for Nigeria. Now this country we dey, where the former president Babangida confess, EFCC what you gonna do? Una clap hand. Yet, now they go after Yahoo boys. They go after innocent Nigerians. If the system they work, our youth will be engaged and they will not be involved in crime. Because the system is not working. The way and manner when it be say most of our security agencies till they carry out their operation, they give Nigeria a bad name. Yes. This will not be the time to play sentiment or tribal card. This one are the time to face reality. Which way Nigeria? Hear this. VDM is not a terrorist. I, Apostle Alfred, is not a terrorist. All other comrades fighting for good governance are not terrorists. The real terrorists, they did forest. The real terrorists, now they kidnap our people. The real terrorists, now they know they allow our people go back to their farmland again. The real terrorists, now the ones when it be said they make life miserable for Nigerians. The real terrorists are those making life miserable for us. EFCC, look inward and do the needful. Sadly enough, the head of EFCC, na pastor, a Christian. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. VDM is not a terrorist. VDM never involved in any financial crime. Yes. VDM is just a voice speaking for the voiceless. VDM don't open the eyes of so many Nigerians to see the true pictures, the realities of things when they go on for Nigeria.
So I've been quiet about this VDM arrest, not because I didn't have a lot of things on my mind to say, but I actually patiently waited for an official statement to come out from the EFCC, and they have come out to say that, yes, VDM was arrested based on multiple charges, according to this report. Now, the question I want to ask is, first of all, Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, am I missing something? EFCC is supposed to be your arrest is supposed to be based on financial crimes. I know that a lot of people have cases, against VDM. I mean, likes of Messi Chinwo, what's his name, the Professor Jeremiah, like different people. Even he comes out most times to make light of it, to say that he has a lot of, cases and all of that, and he speaks of how good his lawyers are. The question I want to ask, first of all, if you want to arrest someone, why did you have to do it in a shrouded manner? Why is it that it is the outcry that has made you come out to say, first of all, is it not illegal for you to arrest someone in that manner where they don't even know where he's being taken to, they don't know who you people are, you did not identify yourself? Like, why do we keep doing things anyhow in this country, right? And I've said it several times, EFCC, are you a body to fight against crime in Nigeria, or you're a body to be, a tool in the hands of different kinds of people, powerful people in Nigeria? Because I don't understand this. It makes no sense to me. Like, we need to do things right. We need to stop this nonsense where we think we can do things anyhow in this country. How can you arrest somebody without any word, nothing, no information, and all of a sudden you're now coming to say multiple charges? What are the multiple charges? Are they so vague that you cannot list them? Who are the people that have leveled these charges against him, right? We keep on allowing this nonsense to happen, and that's how they keep on picking people and arresting people just like that in this country. We need to stop this madness. We need to stop it. Nigeria has to...
In as much as we appreciate the fake support, we don't really send you for here. Yesterday, apart from P2B, you guys did not come out. If they say that today, say P2B talk safe about this release for attack him. And I don't see the level of weight where the guy gets. Even the guy no say he get this type of weight. Now, when I don't they come out, they say free him. When I don't they come out, they speak. That's because you guys did not care. You guys don't care. That's because you guys don't care. All of you are the same. One I not talk yesterday. One I not talk day before yesterday. They underrate the movement. Yeah, some of us we no want stand for the right thing. Some of us we just hate VDM now. Envy. I swear, because I no believe say this guy go from nothing get this kind of weight. Not in Nigeria now. It's a world movement. That's because he has an assignment. God forbid, if anything happen to VDM now, it's a history book. He has set a standard for people to match. So, and I don't believe say the guy go put this kind of weight without a godfather. He's not even a politician. Most politicians, they vex, say, oh, this guy need to come out for any political position. Look at the weight when they carry. Talk more of if he, see, if VDM come out now for governor of Edo State, sorry for who they oppose him. Just as sorry for that person. There's something about him that in the spirit realm connects crowd to loving him. During Mohbad's death, I stood against VDM's dragging. When they drag Mohbad's wife, I stood against him. Even till now, I go stand against that act. I didn't stand against him because of anything. I stood against him because of what I believed he would have done. And it doesn't make me right or wrong. It doesn't make him right or wrong. Do you understand? This thing is, when you are talking about fighting for Nigeria, you have to be on the truth. The truth is the right thing. Everybody where they against truth, it go reach on her now. Now Nigeria we dey. One of my friends we hate VDM. I not go mention her. She hate VDM. But police embarrass and harass the living daylight out of her. Lock her for herself for no reason. That's to tell you that anything can happen in this country. Now imagine where that kind of thing escalates. Shebina still we. Shebina still the VDM. Shebina this kind of people will get this voice go still come out stand for her. So why we hate people Let's not hate people because people hate them. If you're hating anybody, hate them for personal reasons, like what they did to you, not what they did to others. Some of our there is disrespectful to our parents and to our lecturers and all that. Now, in reach VDM turn on, they use disrespect. They tie him down over him sacrificing his life. That is rubbish now.
It's already 3 days that they've picked Very Dark Man. They lock that guy up without any tangible reason, and some people are actually very happy. When they happy say they lock Very Dark Man up. If they lock Very Dark Man up, what's your hope in this country? That means anybody can also see you and lock you up. The only guy where they speak against the government, a lot of you, and this is some kind of mumu for some kind of foolish people on social media. They go against Very Dark Man, say yes, he has been doing too much. He's doing too much. The only guy who say if he talk, government they listen. The only guy where they call government to order. Some people they happy say they lock him up. The only hope where they ginger government officials. The only hope where they call out government officials. Some people they happy. When I talk say this country don't feel better, they be like saying a course. We never ready. And funny thing is, Very Dark Man is going to come out very strong. Anytime when they arrest Very Dark Man, he always come out double. In relevance, he always multiply by 1 million. So if they did here, they say that guy no go come outside. He go come outside. He go come outside strong. And you all will be ashamed. That guy is one of the best guys we have in this country. He always speak against injustice. Boldly. Very Dark Man don't say to anybody, Papa. Now why they carry him? They say they want to teach and listen. But me, I know say that guy go come outside. When they go against and when they happy, when our happiness go turn to sadness very soon.
Okay, the protest for Free Very Dark Man is tomorrow. If you're in Port Harcourt, is tomorrow. The meeting point is location flyover by Ada George. Note, it is a peaceful protest. Don't come with any sharp object, either bottle, knife, or whatever. Do not come with any sharp object. Please, please. Securities will be around. If they catch you, they break anything, then go bail you. So, tomorrow, 9 a.m., Very Dark Man must be released. EFCC must free Very Dark Man, or else you are going to learn. So, tomorrow, 9 a.m., we move.
Yeah, EFCC don't talk, oh. EFCC don't talk. Say, Very Dark Man arrested over multiple. Well, just got back from work, seeing EFCC, and finally said Very Dark Man is with them, answering multiple petitions against him. So, well, it is normal for EFCC to call any of us to come and answer petition. This is what we have been shouting and crying for since Friday. Thank God they've done the needful by coming out to say he is with them, and they have few petitions against him. So we await and see how they they come with their investigation. So it's allowed. They can arrest anybody, including me, anybody. But at least now they are talking. They are out to tell us is with them. So EFCC, thank you for talking. I will be patiently waiting. And I think I heard that you guys will give him bail today or tomorrow, or he's about to perfect his bail. So there's no point we protesting again tomorrow, because what we are asking for is for them to come out and release statements. And they've done the needful. So I won't be out again tomorrow, since they have done what we want them to do. I want them to do, which is to come out and tell us Very Dark Man is with us. God bless Nigeria. And listen, it is looking like people that fought Abacha that said no, we must go back to democracy, are now the one in custody of that democracy that they fought for. And look at the way they are doing their own democracy now. What's the difference between Abacha time and this time? Can you arrest someone in a gangster way?
It is not good. It is not done. Anyway, there was a country. I will advise you to stay home tomorrow and we wait. They said they are working on his bail, or they are going to charge him to court. So we see how that... Anyway, thank you all. God bless you. God bless Nigeria. No retreat, no surrender. Anywhere you see injustice, you must talk. Have a good night.
Oh na na, oh, oh na na, you be my lover, say my lover, I say you never fail, oh yeah, but they are still the same, no. And your glory knows no no, forever and evermore. Hey, Naya, oh no, Jesus, Naya, oh I take all the glory, Naya, oh no, oh, Jesus, Naya, you get some more, Naya, oh, keti, krekati, pati, krekatu, kind, Naya, oh no, Jesus, Naya. Nobody go share this glory with you. Mba. Naya, oh no. Ay. In heaven and on earth, oh, hey, you remain the same. Hey. Oh, take all the glory, Jesus. Oh, take all the... Even Jesus was just they smile, say, Kai, my daughter, in whom I am well pleased.